Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring light on a new style SEAT Leon. So this has the newer style media screen, which is slightly higher than the part of the dashboard. And first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the ignition cycled. You don't have to have the car started, but just have the ignition on, so you've got all your lights and everything showing. And then once the media system wakes up, what you need to do is go in. So you'll need to do this if you either have new tyres fitted or if you have a puncture, and you then have it repaired, and then you'll get the tyre pressure monitoring light coming on. Now, the tyre pressure monitoring light, I can show you, it's not actually on this car, but I will endeavour to show you, is that one there. So it's the picture of what looks like a bit of a horseshoe with an exclamation mark in the center. So can you see it? Just that one there. So that's the light that will be on if you've had tires fitted or you have had a puncture. We've just fitted a new tire to this car, so inevitably it will come on again, but I'm going to just show you this quick video. So now the ignition's on, all you need to do is go down to this little one here, which is the picture of the car. You just zoom in a bit, there we go. So it's the picture of the car, and if we tap on that, it then comes up with this menu, and then what we need to do is we need to go into the vehicle cog. So it's that little one just there, and if we touch on that, it will come up. There we go. So now it's loaded. We've got interior and exterior settings that we can amend, and if we want to, we can actually swipe the car around, and then you'll notice down there we have tires. So if I tap on that one, we then go into the tyre menu, and we have tyre pressure loss indicator. So if I select that one, what it will say is the current tyre pressures match the required value. So if you've had a new tyre fitted and then you've checked the pressures and everything all looks to be great, you just hit the OK button, and then it says tyre pressures saved. Once that's a notification has come up, the light that would be on down there will go out, and then when you turn the ignition off, everything goes to sleep, and the next time you cycle the ignition, the light will be gone. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give us a like, and if you want more helpful little videos, then why not subscribe to us, because we do put quite a few on our channel. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.